the other. Oh, the fucking here. We make the commission in Philippines. You see, it's like in Belgium. The same like in Belgium.
Happy Monday, everyone.
Have a good food.
We started our week like this.
Give me a cigarette. Must taste like that, huh?
Oh, okay. I didn't get it. Okay. Yeah.
This is the light.
This one is already done, and the next will be this. Crazy Bob is going to change this. This is already how many years? How many years is this already? 30 years?
25.
25?
Try the button.
No.
Okay. Okay.
So this is already 25 years. It's time for a change.
Et pourquoi ça gêne pas? Bon. Normally I can place the table here. Goes. Yes. That's good. just chaque intermarché, c'est pas. Alors, attends, démissionner d'intermarché, les deux là, au Cadoué, les gens, à Égazé. Parce qu'on va la livrer.
Hello everyone, happy Saturday. This is my view today. It's a lovely day, sunny day. The temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. It's very calm outside. After those long winter, so finally I can feel the warmth of the sun. And my labubu here is very happy. I'm waiting for Crazy Bob and William. They went to the small shop over there. They went to buy a reload card or recharge card for William's Xbox. He likes to play a lot in Xbox. In here, it's so different with the weather. When it's winter time, the people look so gloomy. They're very serious. But in days like this, springtime and summertime, you can see that the people are starting to feel or to look jolly. So their mood depends on the weather. A lot of bikers also are coming out. There they are. What was that?
It's a machine who sells things.
Like?
Drinks, little bit food, like
It's a vending machine.
the machine doesn't work already.
Okay.
Oh, William, hey, they don't sell it here, they don't sell it here.
So they don't have cards there?
I say, have we got jokes? Yeah, a police box, but the man doesn't understand. I say to him, what? And the man said, yes, we got her. But he hides it because they steal
yes.
her.
Okay.
I said to William,
Oh, what did you buy, William? Xbox or
Apple.
Okay.
I said to him, they sell it all. Oh, look, that one. That one, she's happy when she works.
Yes.
She always smiles. She's always...
Yesterday, it's a nice day. And today, a nice day but cloudy. a nice Sunday.
For the season, it's okay.
Ah, it's catch you see. Bertrand, look, I catch him.
Non, j'aurais parlé de moi.
C'est Ariel a calmé l'aspirateur.
Yes, the sauce is so good. It tastes so good.
La mousse et tout.
Bon, c'est personne de sa faute.
Non,
Mais la prise, et comme la prise de l'aspirateur, tu vas quand même pas le
Voilà,